Jade? Oh, see Fabian.
I can hear him. I'm gonna run through him. I don't know where Harvey's at.
Keep your eyes open for Harvey, yeah. 2. You see Harvey?
Fabian to the left over here.
I was shooting at him, he took cover. I don't know where the little Harvey's at. I don't want to get too close. Okay, I see Fabian. Stay there, Dad. Stay there. Stay there. I got an angle on him. I got an angle on him. Stay there. Oh, we got action here to the right. To the right. Keep an eye on Fabian. Out, bro. Oh. You didn't put your hand up. I shot you. I was like, okay. All right, looking for little Fabian.
Where is JD and Fabian over here? Fabian's running right now. Fabian's running.
Fabian's out. Hey! Damn it. Nice shot. Who shot me? Oh, nice shot, dude. Out. Out, walking through. I'm out. Mercy got me.
Good, good.
Mercy's in there, Dad. I'm out.
You by yourself?
Yeah, I didn't see Jade. Yeah, Mercy got me. Bro, I was shooting you. And I think I hit your vest a few times and I stopped shooting. Because I thought you were out. You're like doing something with your mag.
Yeah, I do that right now. When I was shooting, I know it.
Yeah.